Today, I am reviewing the TCL QM6K QLED 4K Smart TV. If at any time you'd like to explore this 4K Smart TV for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a premium television experience in 2025 without the ultra-premium price tag, the TCL 65-inch QM6K QLED 4K Smart TV might just be the perfect choice. With a stunning mix of next-generation picture technology, lightning-fast performance, and rich audio, TCL has built a true flagship-level television at a surprisingly accessible price point. Let's dive into what makes this model stand out. First off, the picture quality is phenomenal. This TV uses TCL's brand new QD Mini LED technology, which combines the strengths of both OLED and QLED. The result? Near pixel-level precision in brightness and contrast, deep blacks without the haloing effect, and incredibly vibrant colors. It's powered by the TCL Halo control system, an advanced suite of tech that includes a 23-bit backlight controller, a high-contrast HVA panel, and a condensed micro lens system. All of this ensures a clear, bright, and halo-free image that really pops, no matter what you're watching. The QM6K also features up to 500 local dimming zones, part of the LD500 series. This means dark scenes in your favorite shows and movies will show up with inky black tones, without losing detail in shadows. And when you're in a bright room, high HDR brightness ensures the picture stays vivid and watchable even during the day. When it comes to color accuracy, TCL doesn't hold back. Their enhanced QLED technology boosts vibrancy using upgraded quantum dot crystals, allowing the TV to cover nearly the entire DCI P3 color space, essentially the same color range used in Hollywood films. Whether you're watching animation, documentaries, or nature shows, you'll be amazed at how realistic and vivid the visuals look. Plus, with a screen lifespan of up to 100,000 hours, it's built to perform beautifully for years. Now, let's talk motion and gaming. The QM6K boasts a native 144 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for fast-moving sports and action scenes. But it gets even better. TCL includes their Game Accelerator 288, which can push the refresh rate up to a staggering 288 Hz with VRR support. That's a game changer, literally. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, racing games, or open-world adventures, the input lag is virtually zero, and screen tearing is a thing of the past. It's a dream setup for gamers, especially those with next-gen consoles or gaming PCs. Backing all this power is the AIPQ Pro processor. It uses AI to optimize picture quality in real time, enhancing motion clarity, adjusting contrast and brightness, and upscaling lower-resolution content with surprising finesse. So even your older HD content will look sharper and more detailed. The audio experience is equally impressive. TCL has teamed up with Onkyo to bring a 2.1-channel speaker system built right into the TV. That means you get deep, rich bass and immersive stereo sound without needing an external soundbar. With Dolby Atmos support as well, your favorite movies and shows will sound expansive and cinematic. Explosions rumble, dialogue is clear, and music feels alive. Of course, it's also a smart TV, powered by Google TV, which gives you instant access to all your favorite streaming apps, personalized recommendations, and even Google Assistant built in. You can also control the TV using Alexa or the included voice remote. It's truly a modern entertainment hub. Connectivity is top tier too. With support for Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI, and more, you can hook up everything from sound systems and consoles to external drives. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or binge-watching, this TV has you covered. And let's not forget the design. With its ultra-slim, bezel-less build, the QM6K looks just as stunning when turned off. It's sleek, modern, and fits beautifully into any living room setup. In conclusion, the TCL 65-inch QM6K QLED 4K TV brings flagship features like QD Mini LED technology, high refresh rate gaming, advanced dimming, and immersive audio to a wide audience. Whether you're a movie lover, gamer, or casual streamer, this TV delivers performance that punches well above its price. TCL has truly raised the bar for smart TVs in 2025.